In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix dataset configuration error in Looker Studio. If you're seeing a dataset configuration error in your report, it usually means the chart can't find or use its data source correctly. Let's walk through a clear sequence to diagnose and fix it. Start by opening your browser and searching for Looker Studio. Once the site loads, you should be automatically logged in with your Google account and land on your Looker Studio home. From there, open your report in edit mode so you can make changes. Locate the chart or component that's showing the error and click it to select it. With the chart selected, look to the Properties panel on the right. In the Data tab, check the Data Source section. If you see Missing Data Source or Unknown Data Source, click that field and choose the correct data source from the drop-down. This reconnects the visualization to the proper data. Next, in the top menu, go to Resource, then Manage Added Data Sources. This is the report-level list of every data connection currently attached to your report. Find the data source that's related to your broken chart and click Edit. On the Data Source Editing page, click Refresh Fields, typically found near the bottom left. This pulls in any schema changes from the underlying data. When prompted, click Apply to confirm those updates. If a specific chart is still breaking, review any custom calculated fields or filters applied to that chart. An invalid formula syntax or a filter that excludes all data will cause an error. Edit or remove the problematic filter or field and recreate it with the correct conditions and values. Pay attention to field names, data types, and aggregation settings while you do this, because a mismatch can also trigger errors. If the issue persists after refreshing fields and checking calculations, return to Resource, then Manage Added Data Sources. Find the affected data source and click Remove to detach it from the report. Then go back to your report canvas, click Add Data, and reconnect the same data source from scratch. This clean reattachment often resolves hidden mismatches or outdated connections. Once you've re-added the data source, revisit the chart to confirm the error is gone. Give the report a moment to load and verify that fields map correctly and filters behave as expected. By reconnecting the right source, refreshing fields, validating formulas, and, if needed, re-adding the data source, you can reliably fix the dataset configuration error and get your Looker Studio report back on track.